Welcome to a new episode of Demolition Today, your online global demolition channel. My name is Andre Hermanson. This is a special episode for the US trade show Conexpo in Las Vegas. This year's edition of Conexpo was the biggest ever, with almost 2,500 exhibitors. Almost 100 manufacturers of demolition, concrete cutting, and recycling machinery exhibited at Conexpo this year. Tons of novelties were on display, and here are some of them. Some of the manufacturers of fully automatic quick couplers, like Steel Wrist and Oil Quick, showed their latest novelties at Conexpo. Kliman by Virken announces their new MobiBelt mobile stackers for optimized logistics at Conexpo. Let's have a closer look in the following video.
This is Bob. He works in the quarry. His work days are often exhausting. He steps out, goes to the plant, takes care of a problem, back to the excavator, and carries on working. Another notification. He has to check again. Out again, he climbs up, checks, climbs down, goes to the control panel, click, then back to the excavator. And this goes on all day. By the end of the day, he's totally exhausted. Well, Bob, you got in and out of the excavator far too often today. And you were also at the crusher too often. That costs you valuable working time. Well, at least you don't have to go to the gym. But you know what? Tomorrow we'll change things up a bit. Are you in? Good morning, Bob. I've got some good news for you. Spective is going to make your day a lot easier. You'll see. Let's fire up the crusher and get started right away. The Spective control panel is the very heart of the control system. This is where you get the machine started and have access to all the system's functions. Before you start, let's connect the Spective Connect app. Use the QR code to connect to the crusher for the first time. Exactly. And now you can make yourself comfortable in the excavator and get started. Oh, have you checked the crushing gap? No, wait a minute. Have a look at Spective Connect first. The gap is indeed set a little too large. With the small Spective radio remote control, you have direct access to all the crusher's operational settings. Okay, now you can get started. Look, the signal light is flashing. All notifications and warnings are now also displayed in Spective Connect, and the fuel gauge shows that the diesel will easily last until noon. Before you continue, have a look at your camera screen. Yes, that's right. The camera system transmits live video from the feed unit and from the crushing chamber. See that? Stop the feed unit immediately. Well done! You were able to avoid an overload situation right away. Before we continue, let's quickly check the crusher's current production output. Looks like you could maybe challenge the crusher a little bit more. Nice work, Bob. Well then, I guess you can call it a day. Wait a second. First, you have to get the crusher ready so that it can be picked up tomorrow morning. With the new large Spective radio remote control, this is taken care of very quickly. Everything step by step, and from a safe distance. Now, all you have to do is finish your daily report and put it on the boss's desk. But Bob, you can do this directly with Spective Connect. Of course. Just press a button and a complete report is sent digitally to the office. The boss will be pleased about that, won't he? What do you say, Bob? You had a lot less back and forth than usual, didn't you? With Spective, you were more efficient and you didn't have to waste much time at all. But Bob, you hardly got any exercise today. So, how about joining me at the gym?
Italian manufacturer Siemens entered the US market in 2021 by setting up its office in Corpus Christi, Texas. And now their US subsidiary attended Conexpo and showed its full range of equipment. US manufacturer Genesis Attachments also exhibited at Conexpo and was among others launching their new GDT 890. The attachment is their largest razor for cutting rebars and crushing reinforced concrete with a jaw opening of 1,625 mm. Also, Spanish manufacturer AUSA displayed a number of new products at Conexpo, like new electric dumpers, reversible drive dumpers, and a number of other dumpers, forklifts, and telehandlers. Floor grinder manufacturer Super Abrasive with their Lavina series launched news at Conexpo, like the new Lavina S7 grinder series. That was a few examples of what was new at Conexpo this year. If you did not have a chance to visit the show, please check it out on peterworld.com for the latest news. Thank you and goodbye.